Hello guys, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I just want you guys to please check out those short haircut that will always complete your elegant look. And in this style, you can see we always make you look beautiful, will make you look so natural and classy. And you can see this style is hairstyle for beautiful black women. You're gonna love this style, because one thing with this style is that it will always make it look beautiful, and it will always accentuate your cheekbone and make it look good. And I want you guys to take a good look on this beautiful short hairstyle. They are really great styles that will add spice to your face. You know, you can see how the style looks so great on those beautiful women. You will always come out looking so beautiful. Always use the right product to really maintain the efficacy of your hair, because you can see how the style achieved. And you can try, if you want to know the name of this product you use, you can check in my description box below to see the names of the products that we use. And the style, you can see, is so beautiful, is so gorgeous, and it will suit all face shape and all texture of hair. So if you really want to look younger, you really want to look beautiful, this haircut is for you. And I would like you guys to please watch to the end of this video, because here in Wendy Styles we've got some inspirational idea and beautiful styles that will look so good on you and works well for any black woman. You can see it is a really everyday look. You know, it could be your going out look, whatever you prefer. This looks bring so much chickness and edge to your hair, so you don't need a lot of product, because this hairstyle is for everyone, because it brings out so much personality out after getting out of the chair and having this cut. So let me let you guys to please watch to the end of this video. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers and new subscribers. God bless you guys. See you guys in my next video.
Front of my